Welcome to Steve's World UK. Today I'm in Orlando Resort in Florida. So today, Universal's Islands of Adventure is part of my world. So having experienced Universal Studios already at Orlando, Florida, I'm going to be heading to the other side of the lake to experience Universal's second park, Universal's Islands of Adventure, which will be my very first time. So come with me and let's take a look.
The whole series is raining.
So the adventure begins.
So according to the sign, this is where my brand new adventure begins. Now I'm looking forward to going on the Jurassic River adventure. Now the Velocicoaster, look at the size of that. I'm gonna have to do it though, I really am. Well, this coaster looks like a good place to start the infamous Hulk Coaster here at Islands of Adventure. How bad could it be? Now, I'll tell you how bad that could be. As bad as you could possibly imagine. That was one rough coaster. Time to move on. Let's look for something a little bit more sedated. Now this could be it, Doctor Doom's Fearfall. However, after watching it for a few minutes, everything seems to be shooting up, not falling. Let's give it a go. Just come out and greeted by this character that's a bit dubious, so I'm just gonna tentatively step around and move along to Spider-Man. Moving on now from comic book heroes and supervillains to comic book legends in Toon Lagoon. Good to know I'm heading in the right direction for Jurassic Park, but I'm stopping off next for Popeye and Bluto's barges. Time to get wet. Well, time to get wet's a bit of an exaggeration. Time for a bath more like. So if you hear any squelching, that's just me, I'm afraid. So moving on, keeping with the theme of water rides, let's do the next one. And for that next one, we're heading into the Rockies because this is Dudley Do-Right's Ripsaw Falls. And by the looks of it, we're still going to get wet. Drawn into the next area by the beating of drums and the chanting of Kong. It must be Skull Island, the reign of Kong. Now Kong is a formidable creature, but nothing can compare to this classic T-Rex alongside a Jurassic Park Jeep. Wish I could take that home. So that's all the water rides, he said. Well, incorrect, because next up is Jurassic Park's River Adventure. After that huge adventure, calming it down with a little trip to Camp Jurassic. Something tells me the Velocicoaster is coming real soon. Time to decide. Now, before deciding on the Velocicoaster, a time for a short break at the Burger Digs. Now, this is a Casado Burger Platter. It's a Costa Rican inspired black Angus patty with sweet plantains, avocado, pork belly, garlic mayonnaise on a Raptor scored brioche bun. More Jurassic vehicles ahead, including the Insomnus Rex. So joking aside, I really can't come to Universal's Islands of Adventure without trying out Universal's brand new ride, the Velocicoaster. So come with me and I'll take you as far as I can.
If your ticket is on your phone, see the nearest team member for assistance. Scan your ticket at an available station, and the screen will indicate which will be going through metal detection. Make sure to empty any beverages into the sink, so hold on to your ticket and look for key markers. You're ready to ride.
So that ride was absolutely incredible. The speed and power on that coaster was absolutely amazing. If you're in the park, don't be put off, give it a go. It is incredible. Time now for a bit of retail therapy at Jurassic Park's Discovery Center. Heading now into a world of chaos and craziness in Zeus's Landing. So my final adventure sees me heading into the Lost Continent, searching for Poseidon's Fury.
Part that really gets me part that really gets me is the ending.
So just stopping one last time to take a look at this magnificent view of the Hulk coaster. One of the roughest coasters I've ever been on. Maybe I'm getting a little too old. Never. Anyway, that's going to do it for today. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on great future content from Steve's World UK. Until next time, be safe, be good, be kind and be careful. It takes 24 hours for the world to turn once, but only 2 seconds to like or subscribe to see great future content from Steve's World UK.